right.
It's the fire truck hero of Hot Wheels monster trucks. It's ready to launch into a fireball stomp, smashing anything in its path, and it's bringing the heat right now. It's Cody Holden driving the one and only Hot Wheels Fire Alarm. It's a land and water vehicle, the Untamed Predator. With its shark-toothed choke, he wants you to fear the frenzy. Give it up for Kyle Sizemore driving Tiger Shark. It's a villain, the Dinosaur Fossil. Its catchphrase is Fossil Fury. It's Devin Wheeler driving the all-new Skelesaurus. It's a reptilian creature, so tough he avoided extinction. With a crash attack of Dino Bite, it's time to smash and roar! Please welcome Frank Kreml driving Mega Rex. It's a hot rod, the rebellious bad boy, created from mismatched parts from an automotive boneyard. With a crash attack of the Skull Smackdown, it's time to thrash and smash. It's DJ Bulls driving Bone Shaker. He's the ruthless Joker. Its strength, a menace with intimidation at every turn. His catchphrase, you got gumped. It's Cody Smith driving Gumpster.
It was 50 years ago that just one man with a vision and an incredible love for giant trucks, he started one of the universe's greatest creations. This creation dominated one industry since the beginning, with generations of fans around the world. No one monster truck has created more fan memories than this one. Celebrating the golden 50th birthday, it's time to welcome the one and only Bigfoot! Stafford Speedway, one more time for the golden birthday boy, Bigfoot! Now,
Buffalo! Lots of prep.
Oh, here we go. It's Marissa from Dudley, is that right?
Yes.
Oh, I got it both right. So, we practiced. The score for Hot Wheels 5 Alarm is
23.
23. Top score, Hot Wheels 5 Alarm.
Hot Wheels fans, up next, it's the Dino. It's the original stuff. Eric Steinberg's driving Bigfoot!
Here we go. Throughout the night, I give the score. You yell the word Bigfoot. The score, 24. 24 for Bigfoot. You saw him, the one and only LED truck. It is Gunkster. 25 out of 25. Your wheelie competition winner, Gunkster.
Wow!
Your name?
Gerard.
Gerard. Up there in the box, the good-looking
South
guy, that
African
is DJ
refugee at
Ricky.
Hot
I need
Wheels.
you to say, DJ Ricky, I need a question. DJ Ricky, I need a question.
Donut time, baby. No, tiger shot.
Out of 25, top score, 24.
She just said the ferocious beast Frank Kreml. How rude. By the way, this is like the worst monster truck song ever. I don't know what this has to do with Megasaurus, but oh my god. This song's awful. But I like Frank though. Frank's like easily my favorite driver here besides the club.
Megarex, wait a minute. The prehistoric beast, Tiger.
They're not gonna
You say Bigfoot.
three-way tie for the lead. What the
Here we
stew?
go.
It's the rebellious bad boy, DJ Bolt's Bone Shaker! With intimidation at every turn. Oh, Cody Smith, it Gunster!
Get over here real quick, a quick secret. All right, what's your name?
Amanda.
And your name?
Elias.
And yours?
McIntyre.
McIntyre. The group is here, so come close, get close together. The score is
23.
23 is the score. Wow, we are winding down in the donut competition. Still Tiger Shark, Bigfoot, 24-24.
The loudest cheer is going to be who the winner is for the donut competition. Think about it. Who do you want to cheer for? Think about it. Is it Bigfoot? Is it Megarex? Is it Tiger Shark? Here we go. Hot Wheels fans, make some noise if you thought it was Tiger Shark. Make some noise if you thought it was Megarex. And let's hear it if you thought it was Bigfoot. Your donut competition winner, it's Bigfoot.
And of course, the jaws that can tear it apart. If you want to see a flame shoot across the entire infield, you gotta get loud. Here's the deal. As he approaches, we will begin to stomp lightly. Start stomping very lightly. Here we go, very lightly. Here we go. The drama, we build it up. Louder, louder, louder. And now, make some noise! And now, I remind you
Can't be
that
happening.
your noise
Not
equals
again.
the power of the claws and jaws. The louder you get, the stronger Megasaurus gets. Noise equals power.
Steve. No, not the baby. Oh my God. Oh no. Megasaurus, he says, Hot Wheels fans, I need just a little bit more power. Remember, noise equals power? He said, I need more Megasaurus. He said this side of the speedway did their job. They created the power for the tear. He says, I want to hear the middle. You gotta get loud.
Now, Megasaurus, he says there is one final fight. He needs massive, massive maximum power. Make maximum noise!
I don't think that was the dinosaur.
And now, Megasaurus, he says, boys and girls, Hot Wheels fans, with the power of your feet, with the strength of your voices, you brought him to life. You gave him the strength to rip the car in half. And now he says, boys and girls, stand on your feet, wave your claws, chatter your jaws, and say goodbye to Megasaurus.
Goodbye.
I want them to wave their claws, shatter their jaws, and say goodbye to Megasaurus. And now, more kids on their feet. Megasaurus is making his way down. He says, I want more boys and girls on their feet. Wave your claws, chatter your jaws, and say goodbye, Megasaurus.
Bye-bye, Megasaurus. Bye-bye.
Here we go. In the red, Hunter.
For now, Hot Wheels fans are flying high. They go up your energy. The first rider, team captain, Hunter Tiger. The second rider, it's the vet, Derek Berlew. From the great state of Montana, Colton Martin. They call it a Superman whip. Oh, Stafford, it's simple. If you can get a little bit louder, you can get a little bit crazier. They're gonna go one more time.
Oh my goodness! Hot Wheels fans, make some noise for Freestyle Motocross! Want to see a front flip?
We're gonna do front flip. Hey, put a whole new thing on the ramp, bro. We're gonna do a front flip.
Make sure you have your videos in
No
your hands.
way,
Remember,
dawg.
it's energy, it's noise. Start
Nah,
stomping those feet.
bro,
Make
nah.
some noise.
Yeah, nah, bro. He ain't gonna do it, bro. No way, bro. Oh, man.
Wait a minute.
Don't do it.
Colton said it wasn't loud enough.
Hot Wheels fans, give it up for your front flipper! It's Colton Walensky!
Okay, long jump time. Oh.
Perfect. Okay, practice done. Here we go. Arms across. Now, you're gonna say it again. Your long jump leader is
Bone shaker.
Bone Shaker.
Hot Wheels fans,
leave you alone. Now, Hot Wheels fans, you said the name seen once before, and we got to hear it from the bottom of the belly. It's got to be a big, big foot. Your long jump winner is Bigfoot.
Oh my goodness!
Stafford Speedway, I got one more question. Are you ready? This is Freestyle.
With Fossil Fury, it's Devin Wheeler, Skelesaurus!
Some jivey monster truck song.
The drama, the excitement's happening. Young lady, your name? Tori. Well, Tori, you gotta get into that other mind of yours. And the score for Skelesaurus. Tori, take it away.
25.
25. Let me hear everybody else roar like Skelesaurus. 1, 2, 3. 24.
Ferocious beast, Frank Kreml. No respect.
Hot Wheels fans, stomp your feet. Let's go, stomp your feet, stomp your feet.
Bigfoot.
Because
Bigfoot.
here comes the crush. It's Eric Steinberg, Bigfoot.
wait a minute. I don't do it. I say the score, you scream Bigfoot. The score, 25! Oh my goodness. Marnie Florence, here we go. Skelosaurus 25, Bigfoot 25. Wow, we're talking about a cheer-off. Stafford Spring team to choose their own winner tonight.
Here we go. This is so exciting. You get to decide the freestyle winner. Okay, here we go. The loudest cheer is going to be the winner. Think about it. Skelosaurus or Bigfoot? Did you think it was Skelosaurus?
And now, how many fans thought it was Bigfoot? Oh my goodness. The golden birthday boy, the Prince of Bigfoot, Eric Steinberg. Let's make some noise! Eric Steinberg coming over. Okay, Hobbles fans, Eric Steinberg's on his way. I got a question. Did we have a good time? Tonight, the first ever outdoor speedway Saturday night, Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Live. Eric Steinberg, we're gonna wait for your interview because you won freestyle in a dominating fashion. And now, your forever Saturday night Champions Cup winner is Bigfoot!
Eric Steinberg, wow! We are loving the big air. That was insanity!
Well, I asked, did you guys want some big air? Did you get it? That's all that matters. As long as you guys are happy, Bigfoot's happy, we're taking home another win. I can't be much happier.
Give it up for your Champions Cup winner, Eric Steinberg! Bigfoot!
Stafford Springs.
Goodbye, Stafford. The Lord is out. No show 3 for me. I'm leaving. Hey.